So now we're looking at Tornado, the second half of section B, where you have the long roll. It's 4 measures long. So if we ended the last section here, blop, 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 and then so the roll would be this. And so with this clicking, this is actually subdividing the beat. So these are actually 8 notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a stop. So that's what the tempo would be. So let's try playing these long rolls. I don't expect there to be much issues. Of course, you need to stroke it out at this speed because it's really slow. The first 2 measures, you start with a big accent, and then you drop off the piano, and then grow it over those 2 measures. And then the second 2 measures, it's not the same dynamics. It's all going to be loud. Here we go. 4 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now you're loud. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, not bad. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Start off soft. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, let's try doing it faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a. So a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, let's try going a little faster. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, much better. All right, for kicks and giggles, let's just go a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, let's try going a little faster. Up the tempo, it'll be something like this. But we're not going to go that fast. Just for kicks and giggles, let's try that speed. 1, 2, ready, go.